Let's make the best Manhattan Tequila. The ingredients needed: reposado tequila, sweet vermouth, orange bitters, Luxardo cherries. To make this great cocktail, we will use a coupe glass. Let's fill the glass with ice and leave it on the side to chill. Get a cocktail mixer glass. Add a big ice cube. Measure 2 ounces of reposado tequila and add those to the mixer. Add 2 ounces of sweet vermouth. Add 3 to 5 dashes of orange bitters to the mix depending on your taste. Let's get an orange and start making the decoration of our cocktail. We will need to cut a long peel to be able to create an orange twist decoration to give a vibrant color to our cocktail. Mix with a bar spoon for 30 seconds to blend all the ingredients together. By using a big cube of clear ice will be less water dissolved, and the cocktail taste will be stronger. Swing the glass with ice on its left and right to make it secure that it is chilled evenly. Pour the cocktail in our coupe. Twist the orange peel to release the oils in the cocktail. Run the peel around the rim of the glass before dropping the twist in the cocktail. Decorate with Luxardo cherries. Enjoy the Manhattan Tequila.